Hi, I'm Dr. Noelle Lucas, and I work at Blue Oasis Pet Hospital. I'm here to answer some more questions that you have asked us about your cat's preventive care. I have an assistant who's going to ask me a few questions.
Dr. Lucas, what does cat preventative care really mean?
So cat preventive care just means that you're going to bring your cat in, see your veterinarian, get a good health exam. We're going to talk about vaccines and maybe nutrition that your pet has. And at home, it just means good nutrition, good lifestyle, making sure that they're safe. If they're an indoor-outdoor cat, we want to make sure that we're protecting them from infectious diseases that they can get exposed to, and making sure they're covered for flea, tick, and even heartworm prevention outside.
How does cat preventative care really help my cat?
So cat preventive care is helping your cat by keeping them safe from getting infectious diseases that we can prevent them from getting, and we can protect them from we can't protect them from everything, but we can also look to see is there diseases that they're developing early, and how can we intervene and change the path of that disease process.
What can I do at home for a cat preventative care situation? What's my cat preventative care strategies at home?
Well, I mean, we have a cat at home, and he's an indoor cat. We feed him good, healthy nutrition. We meal feed him, which means he gets a portion of food in the morning and at night, and he's not free fed all day long because we're trying to keep his little weight controlled. He doesn't go outside, but if he did go outside, I'd have him protected from flea, tick, and heartworm prevention. And then because he lives an indoor lifestyle, I'm just make sure that he gets his vaccines, and there's certain vaccines that we do on lifestyle dependence. So most cats get vaccinations every 3 years. It's really important that cats come and see their veterinarian once a year. We want to do a good, healthy physical exam. Really, we're looking to make sure their weight's good, what nutrition they're on, or if they're having mobility issues, because that happens as cats get older, they get arthritic. We want to know what their core organ function is, so we're usually going to get some blood and look at their kidneys and their liver and thyroids and urinary tract. We're going to make sure their eyes look clear and make sure their skin is healthy and make sure their hearts aren't developing any heart murmurs. So there's a lot that we do during a physical exam for cats, and making sure that they still stay healthy at home.
Is cat preventative care really optional, or is it something you really need to think about?
You should always think about cats seeing their veterinarian in a preventive sense, meaning, again, they're coming to see their veterinarian regularly, because we are experts at doing physical exams on your cat and also finding diseases that they are masking or hiding from you. Having that one-on-one visit with your doctor on an annual basis is incredibly important for your cat to encourage it to have a long and healthy life that we want it to have with you.
And do I need to consider flea and tick prevention for my cat's care?
So we know that fleas can actually come in through screen doors and screens around windows. So if you have a cat that likes to sit in the window and your windows are open during the spring and summertime, your cat can get exposed to fleas through that way, even if it never goes outside. Tick prevention is a little bit different. Ticks don't usually come inside unless they hitch a ride with you and come in on our clothing. Mosquitoes have the ability to get into our houses and bite our pets, and mosquitoes carry heartworm disease, and they can actually even infect cats. So you just have to know what your cat's lifestyle is. Is it indoor, outdoor, and then what are the risks that are associated with that lifestyle, and have a conversation with your veterinarian, because we actually might recommend some flea, tick, or heartworm prevention, especially if your cat has any skin issues. Then we're really probably going to partner with you in making sure that they're on some preventions. So we want you to bring your cat in once a year for a good, healthy physical exam, and ideally maybe some blood work and maybe some vaccinations depending on what your cat needs. Thanks. If you have any questions about your cat's preventive care, please don't hesitate to reach out to Blue Oasis Pet Hospital for your cat's preventive care needs. Thanks.